Known as NNDM on the NASDAQ, Nano Dimension is a leading additive electronics provider of 3D printed electronics that is not only disrupting, but also reshaping and most definitely defining the future of how functional and connected products are made. This company has unique manufacturing technologies that it uses to target the growing demand for electronic devices that require sophisticated features. If you don't think that this company is a big deal, then you need to ask yourself why in the world the Honorable Kathy Wood of ARK Invest is buying up every single dip. Maybe it's because Nano Dimension's technology will be disruptive across industries like aerospace and aviation, automotive and industrial, defense, consumer electronics and Internet of Things, and even academic and research. And then how about telecommunications or medical devices? I think we can all agree that NNDM will have an impact on the entire world. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of their technology with you, and then, saving the best for last, I've got some wonderful news that just came out today that I think you're going to want to know about. So don't you go anywhere, because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I've got a very good one for you today. We're going to be talking about NNDM, or Nano Dimension. This, in my opinion, is a very, very good speculative, of course, stock. I initially started playing with this company when it was around the $2 and something cent range. I don't remember exactly because at that point I was just trading it. Now, this is, of course, and as I said before, the company that ARK Invest is buying heavily into, the penny stock that ARK Invest is buying heavily into. Now, if you're just looking for something to swing trade, this thing has a pretty clean pattern on it. Now, there are some risks that you'll need to know about, and I will go over all that as well. I'm going to be talking about all of that and more, but without any further ado, let's get started. Nano Dimension is a company that has developed 3D printing technology that is used to make printed circuit boards. The company's Dragonfly LDM system allows customers to install a system on site for PCB fabrication. NNDM describes their system as a one-stop solution for agile hardware development and innovative circuit design across a wide array of industries. It basically empowers companies to securely control entire development cycles through in-house additive manufacturing of PCBs and non-planar electronics of speed and precision while reducing R&D costs. One cool thing that makes this company unique is that the LDM in Dragonfly LDM systems actually stands for Lights Out Digital Manufacturing. And what that actually means is that the company's LDM printing technology is the industry's only comprehensive manufacturing printing platform for around-the-clock 3D printing for electronic circuitry. So let's take a quick look at the disruptive technology that this company offers. Well, first up, we've got the Dragonfly LDM Precision Additive Manufacturing System for Electronics. The Dragonfly LDM, or Lights Out Digital Manufacturing System, is the industry's only comprehensive additive manufacturing platform for around-the-clock 3D printing of electronic circuitry. This precision additive manufacturing platform uniquely integrates an extremely precise inkjet deposition printer with dedicated nano inks and optimized 3D software to print electronic circuits such as printed circuit boards, or PCBs, antennas, capacitors, and sensors. Incorporating proprietary state-of-the-art lights-out digital manufacturing technology, the Dragonfly requires little or no operator intervention. With the Dragonfly LDM, designers can move rapidly from concept and design validation to production of precision electronic components. While keeping the process securely in-house, companies can now reduce demand on prototyping and short-run manufacturing resources and lower the total cost of operation in comparison to traditional manufacturing methods. The Dragonfly LDM is designed for Industry 4.0 and manufacturing for the Internet of Things, and is the extension of the award-winning DragonFly Pro Precision System. The company outlines several scenarios where their Dragonfly LDM precision additive manufacturing system for electronics would be an ideal solution. So here they are: innovating freely without traditional manufacturing process constraints, printing individual sections of a circuit design for on-the-fly testing, creating bias and through holes with no drilling or plating required, printing electronic circuitry in-house in just hours, and also innovating while saving space, weight, and cost with designs incorporating complex geometries and new functions. Users of this tech will also enjoy streamlined workflows and easy operation, as well as long, uninterrupted 3D runs with minimal supervision for increased uptime. So, to put all of these key advantages in layman's terms, the Dragonfly Manufacturing System LDM saves time by reducing traditional development cycle times, and it's more cost effective than competitor technologies as it eliminates the need for large order minimums, and uniquely enables the user to discover design errors early on in the development stage through agile, rapid prototyping. It can also run pretty much 24/7 as it enables long, uninterrupted runs around the clock with minimal supervision. In other words, it allows you to do the most for much less, and with minimal effort, all thanks to automation. In fact, there's an automatic printhead management mechanism and algorithms involved, which is how the system is able to allow uninterrupted printing with minimal setup and preventative maintenance. Now, complex geometries also means that increased design capabilities and manufacturability of components are enabled, with an added agility to enable designing, testing, and iterating, all of which are done in real time and, most importantly, on site. Now, with component consolidation, multi-material additive manufacturing enables functional, compact, denser, non-planar electronic parts. There are no confidentiality concerns as the system keeps data secure through retention of sensitive IP in-house during development, which eliminates all concerns and costs related to IP infringement. Last but not least, NNDM technology limits the environmental impact on the environment through its use of optimized design, size, and weight, which contributes to significantly reducing waste through additive manufacturing capabilities. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. So I told you guys earlier that I had some good news to deliver, and indeed I do. But first, let me say this. While I was actually working on this video, two things happened, which I'm going to very briefly go over after I tell you guys about this good news, but I'm going to save all the details of these two events for their own video. With that being said, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you have access to this video as soon as it's released, but you're going to have to tap that bell so you get your notifications. This will also allow you to get my daily videos that I post every single day, which are full of valuable information. So the good news that I mentioned is that Nano Dimensions just announced an updated summary about customer upgrades of older DragonFly Pro machines to the new next generation 24/7 DragonFly LDM machines. So the information that NNDM is providing tells us that 10 customers have upgraded their machines since 2020. So while this may not actually sound like a big number, it's a lot better than you think. So let me tell you that these customers that we're talking about are actually the US government agencies and leading European research and electronic manufacturing organizations that each own either one or more older models. So we actually don't even know how many models were being replaced. But NNDM also announced that 66% of all of their customers worldwide already own Dragonfly LDM 3D printing systems. So this is a pretty good sign because these agencies would not be upgrading if they weren't happy with the machines in the first place. The difference between the old and the new machines is that the new ones have automated some of the maintenance functions, which will allow the machine to run 24/7 by basically increasing the time between failures. Now, to date, the Dragonfly LDM is the first commercial 24/7 AME machine. Another point that I want to make very quickly is that Kathy Wood from ArcInvest is buying up this stock like it's candy. So that tells us also that the technology must be good or pretty much disruptive, as that is what, she likes to invest in. All right, so now I can tell you guys about the two events that I mentioned earlier. So first off, we saw a fake SEC document going around, which had the shares priced at 50 cents each. So obviously, had this been real news, it would have been extremely concerning. Lucky for us, though, it was not real. But we did get an actual real SEC filing later on after the market closed, which showed that the company has registered for a shelf offering, which will allow the company to raise capital by selling shares at a par value of $5 each within the next 3 years. Now, as you can see by the 5-minute chart here, that is an inverse head and shoulders, so I do expect the stock to continue recovering. So I'm going to go over all this in detail and where I see the stock going, as well as the shelf offering and how I think it's going to affect the share price. Also, we're going to be discussing that fake document and more details about it in this next video that I told you I would have out in about an hour or two. So keep your eyes open for that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed so that you can get that as soon as I drop it. And other than that, I will see you guys in that video. But if you're interested in watching some more of my videos right now, stay tuned for my end screen, which will provide you with some YouTube recommendations or videos that YouTube thinks that you might enjoy. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.